Understanding the phrase, not hear the end of it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind popular phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, not hear the end of it. This expression is commonly used in both formal and informal English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and dive into the details. The phrase, not hear the end of it, is used to express that someone will continue to talk about something, usually a mistake or a controversial action, for a long time. It implies that the speaker expects to be reminded or nagged about the issue repeatedly. This expression often carries a sense of dread or annoyance, as the speaker anticipates being subjected to continuous discussion or criticism about a particular event or action. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Example 1. Imagine you accidentally spilled coffee on a friend's new carpet. You might say, if I don't get this stain out, I'll never hear the end of it from my friend. This means you expect your friend to bring up your mistake repeatedly. Example 2. If you decide to skip a family gathering for something less important, your family might say, if you miss Grandma's birthday dinner, you'll never hear the end of it. This suggests that your family will remind you of your absence frequently. Understanding the nuances of this phrase is crucial for using it correctly. While it's often used in a light-hearted manner among friends and family, it can also convey real frustration or irritation. The key to using it effectively lies in the context and your tone of voice. Additionally, this phrase can sometimes be used humorously, to exaggerate the potential consequences of an action. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, not hear the end of it. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, mastering such expressions can add depth to your English and help you communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you next time.